So here we want to learn how to solve an inequality. We're going to follow the same rules that we do when solving regular equations. However, there is a special rule that we're going to have to follow. We're going to begin by distributing first. So I have -4 in a parentheses, so I'm going to distribute it into the 3x and the -1. After I perform distribution, I want to bring down everything I did not use. Next, I want to combine any like terms. So the -12x and the 6x are like terms, so I will combine them. So next I want to bring down everything I did not use. And now I want to solve this simple two-step equation by isolating the variable. I'm going to do this by subtracting 4 on both sides, leaving me with 12 and -6. Now, because I am going to isolate x by dividing both sides by -6, I have a special rule that I need to follow. The rule says when multiplying or dividing an inequality by a negative number, the inequality sign will need to flip. So my greater than or equal to symbol is now going to turn into a less than or equal to symbol. And I simplify as I normally would. I have x and I have -2. So the answer means that x could be any number that is less than -2, such as -3, -4, -5, etc.